Hi everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to speak how correctly wash laboratory glassware. You know, in laboratory, proper analysis starts not with experiments, but with correctly washed glassware and tools. Maintaining chemically clean glassware is a prerequisite for reliable data, safe procedures, and meaningful scientific outcomes. Today we'll ascertain how correctly wash laboratory glassware. So, first of all, we should know what's dirtying our dishes. In the first flask was sugar drink. That's why to clean this one we should add alkali solution. The second flask was contaminated with fat, and to purify this one we should add concentrate alkali solution. It will consume all fat molecules. The third flask looks pretty clean, but there are a lot grossy spots, and inside this flask was tap water. That's why we should rinse with distillate water. So firstly we need to pour in weakly concentrate alkali solution in the first flask. Like that, as you can see. So next we need to pour in strongly concentrate alkali solution into the second flask. It's more dangerous for our hands, that's why everyone must dress up close. And after that we need to wait sometimes, and after a while everything inside these flasks will dissolve and it will be clear. Here is second flask, and as you can see there aren't any fat spots. That's why we should just rinse with distillate water to clear it finishly. So let's do it. It also should be very clean one. All surface should be rinsed. Yeah, can you see? And first flask with sugar drink, also without any spots and dirties. We should rinse it as we did it before. Outside and inside. Yeah, can you see? So we can also clean our glassware using ordinary dishwash detergents we use in the kitchen. And if we have organic contamination, we can use chrome acid solution. It will purify all surface of our flask. And this is the end of my video. I will be over the moon if you subscribe on my YouTube channel and put a like. So have a good day. Bye bye.